Hi, I'm Andy with your Marco Minute, and I'm here with the Diva Vanity Bag, a fashionable travel item for anyone. This zippered bag is great for cosmetics, daily hygienic accessories, or even as a mini shower caddy. The durable sandblasted PVC not only holds up to tons of abuse, it gives the bag a cloudy, transparent look. You can see in your bag, but not enough that people can identify what you have in it. It is available in many colors, so it can work with any brand. You have up to 3 3/4 of an inch high by 5 1/2 inch wide for your logo. This is a great bag for anyone who travels frequently because it helps keep luggage dry from shower gels, or just as a makeup bag at home. The gusset helps fit tons, so anyone you give this out to will be happy to receive your branded item. It is item number GA1114 on MarcoPromos.com.